Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to turn off the notifications on your Temu app. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off the notifications on your Temu app, first open the Temu app on your phone. And after that, after you have opened the Temu app, at the bottom of the screen you can see there is the home categories and the U option available. First tap on that U button. And over here guys, this is your account section of your Temu app. Now from over here, scroll down, you can see the settings for us just below the customer support. And over here guys, you can see the notifications option available for us. Tap on the notifications. And guys, you can see all of the notifications from the Temu app are available over here. In order to turn off your any of these notifications, simply tap on the edit button at the right side of each option. And after that guys, you can see this type of notification slide bar will appear for you on the promotion sections. And to turn it off, simply scroll down to the none section, and similar with the frequency section, if you have it to normal, infrequent, you can simply just slide it down to the none, and you will stop you will just the Temu app will stop to send you notifications. With that being said guys, this was the notifications of the promotions, and let's go back and you can see all of these are notifications from the Temu app available. To turn it off, tap on edit, and you can see guys, there are a lot of options where you can disable them. Simply disable them by tapping on these toggle icons or turning it off from these buttons. And with these order updates, you can see the chat messages. If you want to turn off the chat messages, you can do the same. And that being said guys, this is how you turn off the notifications on your Temu app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.